It looks like a common SAP office, but it's not. Here at SAP Ireland, the first permanent app house was established in January 2012. The development department was the first team to work in this design thinking environment. After 1 year, excitement is still up.
Still feel good. It's a nice environment to work in. It's like your own living space.
It's a big change from places where I've worked before.
I like the fact I've moved my desk about 4 times in the last year, so I get to get all the different views out the window.
What do I like best? Probably games room.
The crazy things where we didn't know what we were doing are kind of gone, and we're just concentrating on the basics of what works but what makes the place feel enjoyable.
The environment improves the way people work together here. It's all about creativity and flexibility in order to create innovation in much shorter time slots. The basis of success for SAP.
People love working in this environment. We've had great successes here in the last year. We've had a number of apps that we've delivered in 90 days. And we've moved different areas about 5 or 6 times, so the environment is great for that flexibility it gives our teams.
The App House at SAP Ireland won the National Award as Multinational Corporation Initiative of the Year 2012 as recognition of the work at the App House.
Our vision is for the App House that we have the App House type of environment for all employees in the organization. So we just do not want to limit it only for development. So the idea is to expose all teams to a design thinking environment.
Among the next teams to share the excitement is SAP Global Finance and Administration. They moved into the App House just a few months ago. Their requirements are different, but employees can create their own design thinking area just the same.
We actually followed the same process as what we did with the development team to create the App House, in that with the project we set up champions. As part of that, they got the feedback from their teams, they brought it to the table with our architects, with facilities. We took their feedback, we worked it into the design.
Within a short time frame, all employees have settled in and have explored the advantages of their new design thinking environment.
I really enjoy working here. I enjoy the atmosphere.
For me, it's the way we can meet now, because it brings people a lot closer together, gives them more opportunities to talk to each other.
The space that I use often, it's very open. There's a very big screen here. It's great to work with Excel, and when you have other co-workers around to share your screen, it's just ideal.
60 people are affected by this move into the App House. All the different teams of SAP Global Finance and Administration now work on one single floor. It facilitates collaboration and workflows.
If 2 colleagues have a problem and they're finding it difficult to resolve the problem or even to identify it with each other, they literally walk across to a white wall and start drawing the problem. All in all, people save time.
There is still a lot to explore for the SAP Global Finance and Administration Department in Ireland. The goal for 2013 is to use the new space more effectively, along with the design thinking mindset.
Ireland is one of the most diverse workforces in the world. And with all the skills and talents that we have and the design thinking environment, I'm sure we will come up with the most innovative and creative ideas.